In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared timer to Google Meet. If you've ever been in a virtual meeting and wished for a visible timer to help keep everyone on track, this is the guide for you. We'll walk through the process of setting up a shared timer step by step. This is a fantastic way to ensure everyone is on the same page regarding time management, especially if you've got multiple agenda items to cover or speakers to coordinate. First, we need to open Google Meet. You can easily do this by going to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once on the main page, you'll notice an array of icons in the top right corner. The next step is to locate the waffle icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid or a collection of small dots depending on the version. This icon gives you quick access to various Google services. Clicking on the waffle icon will open up a menu with various apps, and here you'll find Chrome Web Store. Click on this and it will take us to where we can find and add the necessary extension for our shared timer. If you're not a frequent user of extensions, don't worry. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. Type in shared timer and hit enter. You'll be presented with a range of options, but it's essential to select one that suits your needs and has good reviews indicating reliability and user satisfaction. Look for an extension with positive feedback and a high number of user ratings, as this typically means it's a popular choice among users. After selecting an extension, you'll see an Add to Chrome button on the page. Click this button and you'll be prompted to confirm your selection. The installation will take just a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, you'll see a small icon appear in your browser toolbar, often indicating that the extension is ready to use. With the extension installed, head back to your Google Meet session and test it out. The timer can typically be started by clicking on the new icon in your toolbar, which will launch the timing function right within your meeting interface. A good shared timer extension will allow all participants to see the countdown, ensuring everyone is synchronized. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to add a shared timer to your Google Meet sessions. This tool can help sharpen meeting focus and enhance productivity by keeping everyone aware of time constraints. Feel free to explore the extension settings to customize its appearance and functions according to your preferences. Thanks for watching and good luck with your meetings.